Every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.
There we go, guys. Sorry, I was just talking to the Zoom guys for a quick second. Wanted to say welcome, everyone. It's June 2nd, okay? Obviously, second day of the month. Yesterday was really good moves, all right? We had gold, nice breakout. We had Nasdaq, nice moves, and we had GU as well that actually continued for almost over 100 pips in the sell yesterday, okay? Today is EU and GU bank holiday. All right, so just keep that in mind when trading. We're going to trade gold, Nasdaq, and probably oil today. Okay, so 2 commodities, 1 index, and then we'll do US 30 leading into the market open. Okay, so with that being said, guys, make sure to check the description box. Okay, it's not a buy or sell channel here. We're here to provide free technical and fundamental analysis. All right, any trades taken up on yourself. Okay, like I said, we're not advisors. We're just here to provide that live analysis for you. We do take some live trades, but make sure to only risk about 1%, especially leading into today, which we're Thursday. Tomorrow's NFP. Okay, so it should be a really interesting day, with the overall big news events coming in for tomorrow. Okay, so guys, you can see we have gold here on the daily. Yeah, it was nice and bearish, leading in on May 31st, and then you can see June 2nd started to flip gold. Okay, so we're still holding, a nice little trend here on the daily. All right, so let's get down, do a top down, okay, and then we'll go from there. So guys, I see nice obvious demand area right in here. Okay, double tap wick, another bottom here, and then you can see that up top we have some supply. All right, okay, so let's get this. Guys, put in the chat if you guys can hear me. I know YouTube, that's with you. Zoom guys, I know you can definitely hear me, so just put in the chat if you can. I don't think you should have any issues. Okay, let's start getting our support and resistance here, guys. Okay, so we need daily support, daily resistance here. Okay, I see daily resistance, which we're at 1856, which is the preceding bearish candlestick. Okay, you guys can hear me, perfect. All right, and then I see some nice daily support forming. Okay, let's take a look now at the 4-hour. Okay, should make a quick update here. Just probably put at the preceding hold. Okay, so price broke, then held this nice daily support, and then you can see the nice continuation. So with that being said, guys, I see some nice 4-hour support here. Okay, and then I see some 4-hour resistance coming in. Okay, I'm just going to put RES for resistance. Okay. All right, guys, now we're going to drop to the hourly here. Okay, so you guys can see if we break this daily resistance, all right, it's had multiple attempts to try to break this critical level, and that's roughly 1857, 1856.5, in and around that area. Okay, on the hourly, you can see we're going into overbought territory. Doesn't really mean much. Price can still jump up, break daily, come to 4-hour. All right, so let's just take a peek here. I got some nice 4-hour support. Okay, if I drag this to the left too, you can see that it is holding nice level of resistance, which turns into some support here. Okay, I'm then looking for my hourly resistance, which is pretty much breaking the daily. Okay, and then we're going to go to the 30-minute, guys. You can see we're nice consolidation on the 30-minute. Okay, price has tried to drop, held price. You have a specific candlestick that's telling you some information here, but again, you can still see we are in a nice upward trend on the 30-minute. Okay, so I'm looking for is nice areas that if we do tend to break, where it's going to be the nice level of structure. So I see an area right here for 30-min support. Okay, guys, how's everyone's day going? You guys having a good morning so far? Anyone trade London? Hey Josh, what's going on? There he goes. Welcome back, my man. Hope all's well with you, dude, and your speedy recovery. Some crazy pictures you're posting there, man. Just wanted to make sure you're good. Okay, guys, I see some nice 30-minute resistance coming in. London was a little bit choppy. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, let's take a look now at 15-minute. Okay, what did everyone trade in London, if you guys don't mind me asking? Look at the 15-minute here, guys. We have nice consolidation area before the overall bigger move. Okay, then we have the 5-minute. Traded NASGU. Okay, nice, guys. And gold, perfect. Okay, guys, I'm seeing some nice. Just wanted to. There. Some nice support right there. Okay. Okay, guys, now it's on the 5. Just watching and seeing price. I wanted to check out the RSI. Okay, looks like we're slowly selling off here on gold. Okay, so let's take. We got a 50-point line here. If we're trading UJ, nice. Okay, nice long wick here. If we do break, guys, I can see us coming down to at least this general area to 30-minute support, which is roughly 1853. Okay, let's add on our moving averages, see where we're at. Okay, we're heavily above. All right, on the 200, we'll keep the 9 on there currently. Okay, so I'm in, from what I see here, is consolidation state. Okay, in a range. Okay, good. From roughly 1856 to 1854, around a 20 pip range right now. Okay, so this will be interesting to see. I see some long wicks up here. All right, we're getting rejected at the daily. Okay, if we do break up, guys, we can get to at least the 4-hour. All right, which is the next key level on the higher time frame. All right, so currently 7:41, guys. All right, 8 a.m. is what I'm aiming for here. You guys know from yesterday that we generally get some bigger moves, okay, leading into the new hourly candles. So I suggest we just stay patient, sit on our hands, and wait until that time, unless a bigger move starts to appear, which I think we could see today, guys. Judging by the news coming in, we have 8:15. All right, and we have 8:30. Okay, you can see this is yesterday. 8:15, guys. US ADP. This is not NFP. ADP. Okay, and then you have 8:30. So 2 folders back to back. Today's going to be an erratic day. Okay, so and then you have. After about an hour, you have the New York Stock Exchange, which I think will be very choppy simply because of the folders that are released prior to it. Okay, so what we're doing is we're priming up for the bigger moves coming in, 8:15, 8:30, and then maybe on Nasdaq US 30 could be a little bit of chop. Okay, so Let's head over and chart Nasdaq now. Guys, I don't know what kind of numbers are going to release. The news is all over the place. You can see that there is positivity showing. Okay, but then you hear the negative within the next 30-40 minutes. So I have no idea. All I know is that I can see we're in a parallel channel here. Okay, coming in. Okay, roughly imbalanced trade. Okay, broke out, push right back in. Okay, bouncing. So you can see now that we're at the 15-minute, but with a steady uptrend on the 5. Okay, let's erase both these. Let's take a look at the daily for a sec. Okay, it's going to be all charted, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so here's the retest, guys. Okay, so if you guys remember, we were trading this big break last Friday. Okay, and then you can see new month started to open. June 1st started to sell off. This is probably acting as a retest candle right now. Okay, so we're going to see if this price is going to hold some support. All right, right in around this area, which is similar to the neckline. Okay, and we're going to see if we're going to get the continuation push, maybe back up to this previous wick near the daily. Okay. Okay, and this is what we're looking like on the hourly. Okay. And you can see the higher time frame we're tapping. 4 hour previous structure here, okay? So let's take a peek now at the 5. One sec, guys. Okay, and see how we're looking on Nasdaq. Nasdaq's already charted, so we don't really need to chart this again. I can kind of head over and do oil, okay? I want to do XTI right now. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, oil just pumped up, guys. Nice balance level support here. We're going to erase everything, do the top down. Okay, reset. Go to the daily. No drawings. Okay, guys. So this is obviously oil on the daily. I don't know if you guys saw last night. There's a Telegram. It updates news, and it talked about potential oil reserves coming in from Saudi Arabia. Okay, which can lead to the sell-off of the price of the oil. Okay, so let's watch and see how price is going to move here on the daily. Okay, you can see that price is getting some rejection. Okay, right around this general area right in here, you can see pushing, closing below. All right, so let's gather some supply right in here. How many people are trading oil in the group? Okay, you guys gotta remember, if you trade oil, it's very volatile. All right, very similar to gold. Joshua, yeah, absolutely. Okay, so that's the level of structure. Okay, if it's good, good. Okay, I see nice level of daily support right here, guys. All right. Some people like it, some people hate it. It's a commodity. Okay, so then we have daily resistance here. Okay. Let's drop to the 4 hour. Okay, nice 4 hour resistance here, and we have a 4 hour support holding it below. Okay, if we were to drag this across, you can see the support resistance here, resistance, and then it bounced off a level of support. Okay, that's going to be the 4 hour support level. Okay, drop to the hourly now. Current time 7:47, guys. Plenty of time. Okay, could be performing a double bottom here. Okay, you can see that price found some support, Found some support here and maybe starting to push back up again, but the steady sell pressure is holding price continuing bearish at this time. Okay, so I see some hourly resistance here. Okay, and then I see some hourly support right before 4 hour. Okay, right at those candle close in the next open. So 1 hour support. Okay, so let's drop to the 30, guys. Okay, nice resistance on the 30-minute coming in. All right, let's take a peek at the 15. Okay, I'm looking at oil breaking the 4 hour right here. Okay, potentially coming back to the overall 15-minute support, daily support. Starting to form an engulfing candlestick. It's pretty strong, guys. Nice little impulse buy, probably liquidity grab. You can still see that on the 5-minute. Okay, you can see clear as day that we do have rejection here. All right, so if we start to break down through the hourly and the 4 hour, we can probably maybe get to the daily, guys, if price wants to continue. Okay, so we need to break the 1 hour here because we need to get past this level of support. Okay, break there. If we can get into this structure, you can see this is where they picked it up. All right, remember I drew the hourly right before the 4 hour. This is the reason why. Okay, so if you just showed level of support there, if you gather in this area, this is the critical part. Okay, this is where price can pick up, maybe give us a head fake and push oil right back up. Okay, at least maybe to the 1 hour. So let's just watch. Be very patient with it, if even it gets down here. Okay. So I'm looking for a short right below. Okay, maybe down to 111. So let's watch. We'll adjust the stop loss if it even gets there. Okay. So we'll set some alarms. Okay. And if price starts to rise, obviously we're looking for the hourly break, okay, which is going to be breaking that trend here. All right. So look for a break, continuation. Obviously, we got to get through this structure. And if we get past this level right here and it starts to hold, okay, we need a break of this structure here, and we need to get past this momentum. Okay. If we don't, it's going to push right back down. Okay, so we're looking for this kind of continuation for the 4 hour, for the break, for a bullish move on oil. Okay, and it's all in this consolidative state right here. Okay, so let's just watch. Add some a little bit of flags here. Okay, and we'll leave and we'll head over and take a look at Nasdaq and Goldie. Okay. So here's Nasdaq just waiting, guys. Look at this, forming a nice symmetrical coming in. Okay, so you guys can see we're looking for something, a break of the 5-minute for the push, okay, which is breaking this resistance here. And then obviously you can see the level of structure that we have coming down. All right, that's from yesterday, guys. The level of structure we have coming on support here. All right, so we're coming to that apex, guys, coming to the new hourly. All right, I'm gonna watch and see how price is gonna move. Okay, let's take a peek now at gold. Same structure. Okay, I see a consolidation, but I also see price starting to form this type of move right here. Okay, even if you want to get this right there, you get the wick. Okay, price moving up. All right, so we'll watch and see how this is going to move. It's waiting until news, guys. It's going to have some kind of a impact move. Okay. Jethro, I don't do GJ on here, man. There's plenty of other streams who do GJ. We just do, like I said, we usually do GU, but the moves, because of the Euro holiday and the GU holiday, we're not going to focus on it, right? Guys, anybody, who's everyone got tonight for the NBA Finals? What you guys got going on here? Who's got Golden State? There we go. I need some Golden State fans here. I need to see what's going on. Guys, I don't know about gold sell. Okay, remember the hourly's coming in the new news. Chef Curry, there we go, guys. I got to get some Warriors here. Who's a Green fan? My man D. Does anyone like the Celtics, guys? Anyone going for them? Any Boston fans in here? They're the real fans, I'm telling you. Hell no. Damien, okay, Damien's there. There he is, buddy. Lost it in 6. Oh my goodness, guys, here we go. Yeah, guys, hockey's going on too. Are we buying gold? Like I said, I'm not entirely sure. You can buy it and test it out if you would like to. But again, remember, we have news coming in. Okay, so for the guys coming on, all right, just remember we have 8:15 news. Okay, this is a big news folder, guys. All right. And then you can see that we have another 15-minute later unemployment claims folder. And then New York Stock Exchange 9:30. And then you can see 1 p.m. So today is jam-packed with folders, guys. Okay. So we got people not liking the Celtics, guys. I think there's a lot of Golden State fans here. Okay. What about football, guys? Anybody watching football lately? Soccer. I'm trying to get with the lingo here, guys. Okay, finals Argentina versus Italy 3-0. Okay, guys. I did see we have Wales versus Ukraine today. I did see that one. We got a lot of Madrid here, guys. What's going on? Let me know. I need some insight, guys. I gotta go to this event, and I need to spruce up on my football here. I'm really excited for the World Cup too, guys. I'm just kidding. I do follow it quite a bit on SportsCenter, TSN, different things like that. Okay, guys, got about 3 minutes here. I got a lot at Liverpool, Madrid, FCB here. Italy's out, Ali. Okay. Gold bullish. That's what's going on here, guys. Who's got Madrid, guys? Honestly, Arsenal. Okay. That's crazy, guys. Here's a good question. Does anybody obviously we talk about sports, right? But to keep longevity in play sports at our age, you know what I mean? Um, do we have any people who work out regularly here? Liverpool did get two titles this year, and I did see that. I'm watching this. I got one guy here saying "Hala Madrid." I love it. Nice guys. There we go. We got a lot of cyclists here, a lot of runners. That's cool. Nope, not big on sports no more. That's because probably people are sports betting. That's why people lose interest in sports. That's cool, guys. What's my team? I'm open on football, guys. I like watching everyone. I like rugby. Obviously, that's another big sport I really like to watch too. Okay, we're gonna check out Nasdaq, guys. You can see, I'm telling you right now, this is gonna be consolidated shit until we get to the news, right? Let's take a peek at Nasdaq. Okay, same thing. Liverpool can't win trophies that matter. Madrid wins the trophies that matter. Oof, guys. I think I opened up the can of worms on the sports here, especially on football. That's good, guys. You don't understand rugby? It's fun, man, when you can do it. It's one of the ultimate cardio sports. Absolutely. Well, guys, we got a lot of UFC fans in here. I'm telling you right now. As soon as you mention that, there's a lot of them. Guys, how many people watch UFC here? Slavlo, yeah, cool. I like the All Blacks, guys, just because obviously their mentality. I like how they're a team united and they do everything together. We got UFC, rugby, MMA. Tony Ferguson get kicked in the face. That's brutal. I saw that, Josh. My God. Who's everyone's favorite MMA UFC fighter? What do you guys like? I'm not too big into MMA. I like UFC, right? But what's your guys' favorite? Patty Patty Pimblett UFC guys? Nice. Yeah, Charles, Kazma. Definitely not Connor. Connor's been balling out, guys. He's been crazy. Khabib, that's Ron's favorite, absolutely. Whenever there's a fight on, we have to watch it. McGregor, yeah, I got John Jones, yeah. GSP, local Canadian boy, absolutely. Chuck Norris, my God, you guys are. No one can beat Chuck Norris, guys. Okay, so there's oil here. Let's go take a peek at oil. Okay, just want to see where NAS is. There we go. Oil. Oh, guys. Okay, 111.59, guys. Oil is tanking. Look at this thing. I was watching it on the other screen, saw a bit of it go off. I didn't think it would drop that hard. What's your guys' spreads on oil right now? What's your guys' spreads on oil? You should see this oil 1 minute candle, guys. This is crazy. Okay, 160 at oil. Okay, guys, so watch here. Here's the initial, this is a plain out, like, just drop. All right, let's watch and see on the retest there. There's about 2 minutes. Okay, remember the time, guys, 8:03. Okay, this is the new hourly candle open. All right, let's take a peek now at gold here. Okay, monitor this, guys. I am going to set that alert going on. Okay, so let it do its thing. This is the hourly candle. Look at this dirty liquidity grab here. Price can still fill that wick. Okay, so just watch for this current candle to play out. Let it start to close in about 1 minute and 24 seconds. All right, let's take a peek at gold. Okay, gold is pumping up. New hourly, guys. Okay, so if we start to break through, you can see the pierce of the daily. All right, but nothing is closed just yet. All right, oil is still holding down bearish. Okay, gold is starting to flip and start to push bullish here. Okay, let's look at it on the 15-minute. Okay, look at steady trending, guys. Solid support pushing out from the daily. I think we can tap the 4-hour, but just got to remember, guys, we have that news coming up in about 15 minutes. Okay, sorry, it's not 15, it's about 11 now. Okay, big liquidity grabs. I'm not in anything until 8:15. Okay, nothing until 8:15 here, guys. Okay, let's take a look at oil here. You can see I want to show you guys something. This is why you wait for the hourlies. I want to see Nasdaq too. Okay, so 15-minute resistance, guys, holding. Look at the consolidation here. Nothing has broke out. Steady so far. They are starting to close below the 9 EMA. Okay. All right, let's take a peek. Let's watch gold. No trades just yet, guys. No trades just yet. Let the new hourly open up. This is why, guys, I've been trying to talk. Okay, look at oil, guys. It's starting to flip. All right. Okay, big dirty wick here. Now it's starting to push to the upside. Okay. So I don't know if many people would have caught that. I do know some people were probably focusing on that. We were just talking, okay, you know, nothing is happening until the hour. All right, anyways, for me. All right, so then now we have that news coming in. Okay, so Nas dumped off, guys. Oil looked like it's pumping up here. Okay, and we'll look on gold. So I want to focus on gold. All right, Nasdaq and oil are my third on the list. Okay, so let's just watch and see oil here. I want to see how this is going to play out for the next probably 5-10 minutes. 5 minutes mostly max. Everything's consolidated, kind of moving a little bit of head fake motion here, guys. Okay, so we'll give this about 2 seconds here. I want to see another 50 seconds, and then we will take over and look at gold and Nasdaq. Okay. Let's take a peek here. let's take a double top look on gold. First 50 seconds came up. Okay, oil is pushing, gold is kind of reversing here, okay? So let's just watch and see. Okay, we'll take a look at Nasdaq too. Totally. When two vegans get in an argument, what's it called? Beef? My man. Guys, let's take a look at the hourly. Okay. Remember, guys, 808, you got about 5 minutes. Okay, Nasdaq is selling off, probably filling these wicks right here, guys. All right. Okay, Nasdaq selling. Okay, big dump, guys. You see how it came to the apex right here? Okay. Let's watch and see what we got going on here. Okay, wait. Okay. Let's take a peek at oil now. Big break, guys. Look at this massive rocket here. Big buy after the 1 hour, okay? Huge explosion on oil, guys. Okay, so price, remember we talked about the reserves on news, okay? You can see probably divergence spotted, yeah, divergence, okay? Continuing to the upside now, all right? Now if we start to break this level, okay, 4 hour, watch and see how this is going to move, okay? Big bullish move on oil, guys. Okay, so let's take a peek now. 811, guys. We're going to watch gold. Okay, nice move on the buy wick. If you guys grab that, let's take a peek at gold. Okay, 856. No correlation, guys. It's not with Joy, not with those two you mentioned. All right, and especially coming into news, anything kind of happen. You're gonna get that erratic movement regardless. Okay, so about 3 minutes here, guys. Okay, oil's rocketing, guys. It's rocket here. Okay, right before news. Okay, guys, we got about 2 minutes and 30 seconds here. Okay, coming in 2 minutes here. All right, guys, if we start to break Okay, I'm just waiting and see about last minute here. Okay, guys, big news coming up. 3 minutes here. Okay, here we go, guys. Coming into like 1 more minute, 30 seconds left. Okay. Okay, just watch and see how we're moving on gold here. Watch for the first 5 minute, guys. Got about 12 seconds left. Okay, wait for news. Oof, guys, look at. Oh my goodness, guys. It's a big move. Look at that gap right up to the top. Holy shit. Okay, let's take a look. Let it kind of make its move here. Okay, let's take a look at the numbers. Let's take a quick look at Nasdaq. Look at the big impulse dump now. Let's take a look. Nasdaq oil. Okay, we'll come right back to gold, guys. Don't worry. Okay, Nasdaq. Everything kind of impulse in the first 5 minutes. Okay. So watch for the first 5 minutes here, guys. There's gold too. Just extend this. News. Okay, still holding. Let's take a peek. Nasdaq as well. Okay, Nasdaq's kind of selling off here. Getting that impulse sell. Let's watch and see. Okay, so guys, if we start to break this general area right here, okay, this thing is looking for a short-term sell for the continuation to the downside. All right, let's watch and see. So we'll take a look at the news too. We'll take a look at DXY. Oh shit, guys, sorry about that. There's Nasdaq. Okay, just starting to go, guys. This is still just the first 5 minutes. So let's watch and see if we can get a retest on this. Okay, we'll take a look at the news here now. Okay, so negative news, guys. So this is going to have impact. Let's watch and see one more time the dollar. Okay, nice. Still in some consolidative range right now. Okay, so the first 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, guys, gold is still holding. Okay. Watching, see for the first, guys. Here we go, 20 seconds. Want to see how this candle closes and the next one opens. Okay, 4 seconds. Here we go. Okay, new candle gapped up, guys. See if we're going to fill that wick. Okay, if we break the hourly, guys, looking pretty good here. Okay, hourly buys coming to 4 hour, predominantly nice. If not, we're going to get rejected, pushing right back down. Okay, looking to maybe break this short-term uptrend here. You guys can see from the wick. Okay, wick bottom, wick, 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 wick. Okay, and then all the way from down here. So let's watch. So nice continuations, guys. Looking for hourly push past resistance next to the 4 hour. Okay, but obviously we got to get a break and a retest coming up for the hourly right here. If you look to the left, this previous structure, okay, it's very extended right now. All right, so price needs to probably cool off for a bit. You can see by the wick close right here. This is what's telling me all that information. Okay, wick is closing previously lower than this wick. Okay, so let this kind of play out. The news is still having a high impact on the overall time. All right, and remember, guys, in about 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes, we now have 8:30. Okay, so price is going to go for a wild ride right now. Okay. Okay, let's watch. Let's take a peek at Nasdaq too. Okay, a lot of indecision right now, guys. Okay, let's mark up some flags here. Guys, I'm going to grab a quick coffee here. Okay, I'll be right back. Let the news, guys. I'm looking still for Nasdaq sells below this area, okay? So give me 2 seconds, be right back. Okay, guys, new coffee, ready to rip here. All right. So these days are tough, guys, especially when you're coming into this type of news, back to back to back folders, because they could release one here, have negative, which they just did. Okay, you can see right here, and then the next 10 minutes they can make this positive, and then price could erratically reverse. All right, so a lot of impulse moves today. Let's take a look on gold too. Come right back to Nasdaq. Okay, gold's still running, guys. If you guys got that 1857 buy stop, okay, you guys are still actually running pretty good. Sent to the group here. Okay, so the target, guys, is obviously what it is. If you guys didn't get on this, don't worry. This was sent to the Discord for previous to news. Okay, so look to secure, guys. It's running about 17, 18 pips. Price can obviously erratic reverse at any time coming from the news. Okay, you can see it starting to run. Overall TP we have, you guys, you can see it in the group. It's almost running about 20 pips right here. Okay, so I'm telling you to look to secure. Big impulse move to the down. Okay, that's why I told you guys multiple attempts to break was rejected. Now coming back to the overall 9 EMA. Now this is 5 minutes, guys. Okay, until that next news event. All right, so make sure to understand that if you guys don't feel comfortable trading this, they can release any kind of news the opposite and change this in a matter of seconds. All right. So let's take a look at Nasdaq too. Okay, choppy Nas. Look at the news folder, guys. Look at the news folder right here. 815. Okay, 820, 825. Indecision close on Nasdaq. All right, so this is something we want to chap and trap. All right, waiting for the next big overall move. Let's take a look on the hourly on Nasdaq. Oil is skyrocketed, guys. It's still getting some resistance now, starting to short-term sell. But I wanted to see Nasdaq on the higher time. Okay, still holding that level of support, retested. Okay, we're going to see if now price is going to collapse. Okay, guys, we are above the 50 right here. All right. Okay, so sit out this one, guys. Trust me for news. Some people were in buys on Nasdaq before news. It's tough, guys. It's tough. That's why I always say wait until news. The only one that held me was that gold buy. Okay, at 1857, you can see it reversed, and it's now pushed right back up. Okay, so there's the retest on the 9 EMA. Okay, 2 minutes here, guys. If you want from the beginning of the stream, I did mention these folders back to back. So in this area, you might want to even trade. It's definitely got the big high impact. All right. And this unemployment claims every Thursday, guys, at 8:30. This thing launched. It's one of my favorite folders to trade. Okay, I don't like this first week of every month because you have ADP and it kind of ruins the flow. All right. But usually Thursdays are pretty good, you know, leading into the Friday market. All right. Okay, 828, guys. Let's take a look at Nasdaq. Big reverse now. Okay, coming back down to that hourly, guys. Overextension. Okay, nice divergence. Cool off period is coming. Okay. Impulse breaks, guys. Big moves. Let it do its thing. Take a look at the RSI here, coming right to that 50 line. Okay, watch the 200. Here's next news, guys. Okay, next level. Let it play out. Nothing has been broke just yet, guys. Okay, closing below, holding that wick at the support level, previous structure right here. Okay. Guys, did you guys get that 1855 buy sell stop? Thing is running, guys. Okay. Let's watch. Indecision, guys. Let's take a look at Nasdaq too. Okay, indecision, guys. Still holding in the box. All right, let it do its thing here. Okay, Nasdaq still indecision. Guys, that's a big sell right there. Hopefully you guys got the 55 sell stop here. Oh. Guys, I put it in the Discord, the sell stop. That thing's running about 30 pips. Okay, look to secure now, guys. Okay, I'm going to mark that on there and send you guys the 1855 sell stop just so you guys can see. GU's looking nice on the sell, guys, although we have the news. Okay. Let's take a quick peek on GU. Okay, getting ready, guys. Okay, let's take a peek on Nasdaq too. Nasdaq slowly selling off here, guys. Okay. Okay, so watch on news on NAS. Gold is gone. Oof. Gold is going, guys. That's a big sell-off, guys. Caught the buy and the sell on that Discord. Look to secure that. Thing's running about 40 pips. Guys, if you hit daily target, get out, please. Leave the Zoom. Walk away. You guys know how to do it. Okay, big move, guys. And this is a, you got to think of the divergence. Okay, look, this is all divergent play right here. Price pumped up. Okay, and then you can see price dipped back down. Okay, so that's why you got that nice little sell. Okay, let's take a peek now on Nasdaq. Everything's kind of getting ready to sell off, guys. Let's watch and see here. Now we're at that critical level. Okay, right at the T potential entry. We need to close below. Okay, just watch. We need to close below here, guys. Remember I told you this was the critical mark right here. Price pushed up, I don't know how many times. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, just watch. Let's watch and see. Gold pushed right back down, guys, back down to 1850. Okay, so picking up some liquidity here. Okay, let's take a look at one more time on the hourly. Okay, remember we talked about that retest candle, guys. You can see the nice little uptrend on the hourly. That's why I said it's going to take a lot of momentum for a push right back down to the daily. All right. They're holding it here. They've held it 1, 2, 3, almost 4 times on this general area at 12,590. Okay. Gold is pushing back up, guys, finding that level of support. Let's take a leak and peek at the DXY here. Okay, price pushed, news pushed it right back in. Nice erratic movement, guys. Okay, gold is moving, it's finding that level of support like I mentioned. Okay, very similar to the DXY. DXY is selling off, gold is starting to rise. Okay, oil is still flying, guys. It was okay. Nice wick down at the bottom here. Okay, leading into 8 a.m. the new hourly. Okay, didn't see this until we're already in it, and then you can see it evaporated and push right to the top. Okay. Okay, so I wanted to watch. After this, we didn't really focus on oil. This was the best play on oil for sure. Okay. Gold buy or sell. Let's see, read the description box, dude. It was a sell from obviously 1855. Okay, now it's getting some nice rejection here. It's still selling off. Okay, Nasdaq has not closed below. Okay, still watching patiently, guys. If Nasdaq does not break there, guys, I'm looking for more of a long position right up in here. Okay, I need it to close above the 9 EMA though. Okay, so 2 positions on Nas getting ready. Okay. Okay, new candle, guys, has just opened here. That's what we're looking for, the 840 candle. Okay. So it's still closing below the 9 EMA, getting picked up support level right now. All right. Gold is starting to pick up some liquidity too, guys. Okay, it's starting to get into some buying volume here. We'll come one more peek at that. Let's take a look at also GBP. Okay, GU started to flip, guys. Okay, very similar. Nice news, guys. Selling off, starting to push, and that's got to be expected. Think of the overall trend that we've had on GU. Okay, bullish as of late. Sell off yesterday, bullish today. Okay, gold is starting to push right back, very similar to GU. Okay, right back to entry, guys. So sold off and then pushed right back to entry, probably pushing into this consolidation zone right there. Okay. Okay, pushing right back. If this candle closes, guys, engulfing this candle right here, starts to engulf this candle, this is going to be a piercing line almost. It closes almost 50% parallel. And if this candle can close above this preceding bearish candlestick, you will start to see a volume-based push on gold. That was just potentially the cool off here. Okay, so we're right back in that consolidation. Let's take a peek on Nasdaq again. Okay. Okay, nice rejection again, guys. All right. Still about 2 minutes left. Okay, gold getting some rejection here coming in, starting to test that 9 EMA. Okay, so nice slow movement here. Okay. 9 EMA is still holding this bad boy down, guys. This looks pretty pretty good. Okay, leading into obviously the new 4-hour candle here. Okay. Okay, so let's check out gold here, guys. We'll look at GU as well. See how it's moving. Gold and GU are very correlated right now from what I can see. Okay, so very similar to GU. Gold is looking like it's getting rejected in and around. See, guys, very, very similar, the rejection zone here. Okay. Okay, so let gold do its thing here. I wanted to watch the DXY 100%. Okay, there we go, guys. You can see it slowly starting to retest now. Okay, nice engulfing candlestick. All right, let's take a peek at Nasdaq. Okay, so right back at that level, guys. Okay, so let's see if we can get that nice breakdown. This is the critical level. If they don't hold it here, okay, about 3 minutes. Guys, they are picking up level of support here. It seems like a very critical level. You can see how many times they've tried. This is the secondary attempt, and it's a big reversal, guys. So we know that this price is very, very strong. Okay, so let's just monitor this, watch for the next candle to open up, see how it's going to look. Guys, gold is buying right now. It's still in that consolidation area. Oil's still pushing up, guys. Okay, nice big move on oil. Okay, so they're still not letting it break down there, guys. This looks like a pretty strong level here. Okay, you can see how many attempts they've had, and now it looks like they're starting to find that support. Okay, so just hold on, nothing broke. I needed to get into here. Remember we talked with this, you know how impulse breaks, people ask all the time, break down here, then the next candle opens up. Like for the retest, that's what we're looking for. This critical level, if we move this down, you can see it's just bouncing off around that 2590. Okay, so if they start to flip and hold this, like I said, we have the opportunities right up here for the buy. Okay, GU still pushing, guys. Oh, there's Nasdaq. Let's take a peek at one GU too. Okay, GU is flying now, guys. Nice little sell impulse. Okay, let's see gold here. Gold is buying right into the overall consolidation, guys. This is a static level. Okay, so if price does get to the daily, we'll watch and see if it's going to have a retest and then a confirmation. All right, so this is starting to fill, looking nice and bullish at this time. All right, Gotta love news here, guys. 8:15. Okay, right here, pushed bullish, bearish, and now you're pushing right back up, guys. So everyone asking about sells, guys, you can see pushing right back up. Okay, right to that 1857. Okay, it's the same static level as before. Okay, so we'll just quickly watch the 8-second close on here. Focus on Nasdaq next, coming into the new last 10 minutes of the hourly, guys. Okay, getting some rejection right at that 1857 mark. All right. Patience, guys. Okay, Nasdaq looking bullish at the moment. Okay, it held that nice level of support here. Let's take a peek now on gold. We'll flip to Nas. Okay, see Nasdaq starting to hold level of support. Okay, nothing broke. Still waiting for price to pick up so far. Okay, it's pushing right back in the consolidation, exactly what gold just did. Okay, so Nasdaq still getting rejected there, guys, looking pretty good. It's a lot of resistance, guys, a lot of top wick. Okay, they're now pushing right below that 9. See if we're going to start to push right back down again. Let's take a peek on gold. Gold's rising. Oil is rising too, I do believe. We'll take a look. Yeah, still having this continuation here, guys. Right, nice support level starting to push. Okay, 115. Okay, we're definitely going to probably tap there. You can see we made a nice pierce before, made a high. Okay, and then you can see GU rocket, guys. That's what I'm trying to tell you on the short-term pullbacks. Okay, I had guys looking at GU coming in and watch and see how gold's going to look. Gold, nice big impulse break. Okay, guys, so if we start to hold above here, guys, they can probably fill that wick. If not, you can see it's a little bit closed less than this previous structure. Okay. No, I'm in nothing right now, guys, just watching. Okay, I'm watching Nasdaq profusely right now, same with gold. Okay, I'm just waiting. I got the gold sell on that. I wanted to see about the gold buy now. Okay. Okay, 12 seconds here, guys. This is coming to the next 5-minute candle, which is leading to the last 5-minute close of the for the first 4-hour candle open up in the morning. All right. Tamiki, I just saw the message there. One of the admins sent me thing. Check your email. Okay, you need to verify your account. All right, and then once you verify, you can get logged in. Okay, check your junk mail. Sometimes it goes there for some of the members with different emails. Okay, I'll have our guys look at it as well for you. Okay, so choppy session, guys. You can see chop here. Let's take a look at Nasdaq too. Okay, nice consolidation, guys. Okay, good. You verified. I'll get the admin to look at it now. Okay, we'll be in touch by today. All right, no worries. Okay, guys, GC is still in the nice running right now. Okay, guys, those are the, I don't know, they're a birdie or a finch, whatever it is. I got a bunch of bird feeders out there. Live in a pretty residential neighborhood, guys. And yeah, there's a shit ton of birds. But I like it. Helps keep me up. Let's take a peek on gold here. Okay. Holding on that 9. Nasdaq is breaking down bearish, guys. Slowly but surely. Okay, Nasdaq. Go back. Watch gold here, guys. These are 2 levels of entry. Nice little push to the upside here. Okay, you can see 1857. We break down here 1855. Okay. Okay. Nasdaq finally getting some rejection here. We need to get past this structure. Okay, she's dumping now, guys. Look at this. All right, right back in that demand. See if the sell structure is going to be eminent here. I'm in on this sell right now, guys. Okay, slowly but surely dropping about 10 pips. Okay, still dropping, guys. Looking good structure here. Okay, nice bullish drop here. Let's see what continuation we're going to get. Watch the retest here, guys. You can see price drop about 10. Okay, here's going to be the retest candle here. All right. If it doesn't hold, watch price push right back through. All right. The previous level structure. Okay, here's your retest. Okay, start securing some if you guys are on. Okay, grab some pips here. You can see it's rejecting now. Start to secure some of this. Okay, secure about 50%, 60%, 70%, 10 pips running. We'll see if we're going to break this level structure. Okay. I just closed both orders, guys. Oh wow, she pumped right back up. Okay, so retest did not even hold. Didn't even drop past 10 pips. Looks like a bigger move. Now it's getting the retest, the overall uptrend here. Okay. Monitor accordingly. See if we can get a nice little push. Gold is starting to fill the wick. We're going to watch gold for 2 seconds. Okay, gold is pushing, guys. Okay, we'll come right back to Nasdaq in 2 seconds. I just want to see gold here. Okay, so nice buy, sell, buy opportunity. Okay, nice moves, guys. If we break this hourly, okay, remember we just tapped it right up there. Okay, if we break here, guys, we're looking to the 4 hour. Okay, slowly monitoring. Look to secure some, guys. Like I said, there's a top wick right there. They did tap again from 57, the daily break on the buy. Okay. Ooh, guys. Oh, shit. Hey, guys, I told you to buy. Oh, yes. Yes, guys. I'm going to post that friggin' trade right there. That was a beast. No one thought Nasdaq was gonna dump. Maybe you guys did. I don't know. 50 pips. It's the birds, guys. Secure, secure. Don't get greedy. Okay, let's see if gold was actually that buy. Guys, Nasdaq, I said buy right here. 15 minutes, that's a green box. That's the only buy. This is the sell dump right here. Okay, look at that engulfing candlestick. That's big bearish momentum, guys. If you guys are buying on that, then you know you got to watch your candlesticks. Okay, if gold's rejecting, then just take some secure partials, guys. There's no one says you need to hold this thing. Okay, it broke above the, not yet. Still in profit, guys. If you guys are in anywhere around here, look to secure. Okay. Okay, don't get greedy. 20 pip, guys, that's a potential 15, 10, 15 pip move on gold. Even if you do like a $1, that's maybe 8, 7 pips based on your spread and commission. All right. See how it's rejecting now? There's Nasdaq continuing to sell. Let's watch and see if we're going to get a pushback right back to the daily. Okay, and the structure support was right here. Okay, how many times do we bounce there? Once, two, held, and then you can see now the third attempt, price is starting to hold and starting to push back up. Okay, so guys, 9 a.m. This guy's still selling off. Big dump here, so nothing to do with buys, still dumping. Remember I told you the news, guys, is going to affect probably the market open Wall Street. Okay, guys, 906. We'll do US 32 if you guys want to see it. Guys, pump the likes to 300 if you want to see US 30 top down. Okay, we will do US 30 or Nasdaq market open. I'll do a poll right after we get to 3, and then we'll go from there. Okay. So if you guys remember on the daily and higher time frame, okay, remember this was a W pattern. Okay, we traded this. This was last week. Okay, we had this nice little buys leading in. This is the retest. Okay, we're at retest position right here. Okay, this is the retest. All right, so keep in mind, guys, that price can get all the way back down to 4 hour before they make that nice little push. Okay. There's Nasdaq continuation, guys. Look at this thing selling off. The retest did not hold. Okay, it's still dumping back down. Probably going to come back down to the daily, guys. Tyler, yeah, that's exactly what it would be. This is original from yesterday. Let's take a peek at gold too. This is pre-market, guys. This is pre-market. I think if we can break here, like I'm telling you, we can come back down to a nice level right here. Gold. Let's take a peek at gold here. Okay, I told you gold's filling those wicks, guys. If it's above 1857, 1860, this thing's running about 30 pips. There you go. Okay. This is why news, you got to be very careful with news. Okay. Like news sold off and they grabbed the liquidity and they gold pumped it right back up to gold. Okay. Tamikia, we just had an admin check the account. It says your account is completely active and it's good to go. You were approved. You might need to reset your password. But other than that, everything looks good on our end. Just try resetting it and then we'll go from there, okay? Okay, 17 seconds, guys. I want to see how this candle closes. Okay, so it's closing below 59 now. Okay, just under 5 minutes. Let's take a look at Nasdaq one more time too. Okay, watch this big wick, guys. Price is still forming. Nice momentum here. So Nasdaq is still selling, guys. It's a big dump. Okay, so 9:10. Let's get ready to do the US 30 here for everyone. Okay, 50 more legs, guys. Okay, we break this level right here. We're starting to come back down even further. Okay, at least 50%. And then this would be that big bullish break. Remember yesterday gold pumped up. Now Nasdaq is selling off. Okay, if it breaks the low, guys, she's still falling back down to the next level. Okay, this thing is still going to walk. You can see we're a little bit overbought up here, okay, with the divergence. Okay, now we're coming to oversold territory. Okay, let's take one more peek at gold here. She's dropping, guys. It's looking like it's going to drop. There it is, filling that wick again, guys. Okay. Static levels. Remember, yesterday we did a webinar on static levels. Okay, Ronnie did the webinar. Do you guys see how this applies to this level right here? Okay. Do you guys see how 1857 can be applied as a static level? All right. Just write in the comment section if you can, if you understand that. If you guys watched it yesterday, it's an important thing to understand. Okay. I'm sure a lot of people they understand it, but static level is a very important concept. You guys got to understand. And guys, Nasdaq is continuing to sell, and gold is continuing to pump. Okay, starting to break the structure, still falling. Back to 1860. Okay, I think it's going to tap at least 1861 here. Let's see if we can get that tap. Okay, that's the 4-hour resistance. Okay, guys, we're only going to focus on gold until we get that 300 likes. Okay, I just want to this is for the members in the group. Okay, so as soon as you tap that 300, I'll look over and do US 30. Okay, no problem. I just want to see what's going on with gold in the next 3 seconds. Okay, pull back. These are strong volume candles, guys. These are strong volume candles. Okay, a lot of liquidity being pushed. There it is, guys. Keep it going. Okay, so we're getting a pullback now. Take a look at US 30 on this. Okay, let's take a peek. US. Getting you to the top down. What do you guys want to trade? US 30 or Nasdaq market open? I'm pretty sure we just tapped 300. Yep. Thank you, guys. Okay, you can see gold had a nice move here from top to bottom. All right, bottom to top was a secondary move, and now you can see the next big move is going to come probably at 9:30. Okay, so Nasdaq had a huge dump. Okay, US 30 I'm assuming had a huge dump too. Let's just take one more peek at Nas. Okay, Nasdaq is starting to pick up some liquidity here. Okay, starting to pick it up. So let's do some US 30 now. Very same structure. Okay, so let's go to the daily. Okay, this is, remember we talked about the W pattern breakout here. Okay, pushing, it's at the neckline. All right, not going to use supply or demand here. Almost identical. All right, so daily support. See nice daily resistance coming in. Okay, coordinates good. Put that up there. Okay, let's go to the 4-hour now. Nice downtrend here, guys. You can see still straightforward. Look at the long wick coming back down to daily. If we start to break this level right here, 4-hour support, it's coming back down. Okay, higher time frame. Remember this. For the people who think just 5-minute scalping is impossible or it doesn't work, look at this right here. 4 hours telling you something. Nice downtrend. And if we break above here, okay, these key wicks, all right, that's going to be a bullish move. Okay, at least filling up to maybe the daily resistance, but we'll wait and see. All right, let's go to the hourly now. Perfect. Nice hourly resistance coming in. Nice hourly support. Okay, downtrend, then you can see we have a nice little uptrend here on the 1 hour. 4 hour downtrend, 1 hour uptrend. Okay, let's take a peek now at the 30-minute. Okay, finding that level of support. We're just starting to break. Okay, let's watch and see about 9 minutes until the 9 minutes 20 seconds till the candle for New York stock is going to be open. All right. Let's take a peek at 15 minutes. Lamaziz Jama, thank you. Since I found your channel, my trading game has really changed. Last week, Monday, I have been growing my account from 168. Today, I'm at 920. I appreciate you and your simplicity. Wow, that's pretty crazy, man. Congratulations. That's a big percent return coming from last Monday until today. That's a very big percent return. So huge shout out to that. That's a big move, guys. It's not easy for traders to kind of get that. All right. Gold guys broke up, and if you didn't catch the 1857 static buy, okay, looking good here. Let's take a look out at the 5-minute. Okay, guys, so I'm seeing some daily break. Okay, so we have definitely right up in this area. Okay, let's take a peek. Looking right there. Neon Rave, that's for you. All the bell. Okay. Got about 8 minutes, guys. We'll monitor everything else here. Looks a little choppy right now, but you can see, got to look at the overall structure. All right. Okay, we got a nice clean break above the daily. It's pushing. Okay. Might get a little bit of a pit stop before at this general area right here. Okay. I don't like that. If we start to break the structure of the 4 hour and the hourly, guys, we can start to get a nice little dump until probably the daily support. So if you look, we're in the round oversold territory right now. Low, high, low, started to try to make a high, was rejected. Okay. Now we're going to see if we're going to make a low and maybe switch that downtrend. There's a lot of momentum that's forming right now. Okay, and it's good to see where the 9 and the 200 EMA is. Okay, so you can see we're right around there. Okay, so let's go take a peek at gold too. Okay, remember gold is trendy, guys. For the guys who are just coming on here, all right, gold is not, it's not normal, I guess you could say. It is normal, but you just got to figure out and trade how it trades. It's a trendy instrument. Okay, it trends. So you can see the liquidity pullback here. This is just a pullback. I think gold is going to continue at least maybe to 1865, 1861 area. Okay, might not do it right now. Might get some more cool off here. You can see that price is starting to continue. All right, make a little bit of a low. So we're going to watch and see what kind of move this is going to do. All right. Nasdaq is still in the sell operation right now. It's still moving downwards. Okay, 925. Okay, guys, so now we have the 5 minutes here. Let's watch and see. We're coming into the new 4-hour candle, which already just happened. Okay, now we're coming into 9:30. Okay, 9:30. Still floating. Remember I told you guys, gold is a trendy pair. Still moving up. I have an 18% gain on gold. When should I take profit? 18% is a pretty good number. Okay, I'm going to come in and watch another maybe minute of this, guys, and we'll focus on US 30. Okay, so guys, let's take a look now US 30 here. I want to take US 30 starting to definitely show sell. Okay, guys, so if we break this 4-hour, I'm looking critical level right here. Got about 3 minutes. Okay, nice moves right here. Okay, you can see it's still moving. Oil's flying, guys. Oil's gone. Oil's been bullish for the last hour. We just had nice good moves on Nasdaq and gold. Okay, let's watch, guys. Holding that nice level of support. Okay, guys, about a minute left here. Still holding.
Okay, guys, so let's get down here. Got about 30 seconds left. Let's watch and monitor, okay? It's in that consolidative state. It's just broke. Okay, you can see push-pull movement coming in here. All right. Only buys I'm really looking for, guys, if it comes up and gets to the daily resistance and starts to push. Okay. Here's 9:30, guys, coming in. Okay, finding a key level right here. Okay, remember, guys, we had all this news leading into today at this time. Okay, we had one red folder, one orange folder. We might get some like pretty choppy action here. If you guys are not feeling comfortable with this, you don't need to trade at all. Okay, so first candle has started to flip bearish. It's made a low. Okay. Let's see where the first psychological number is here. Okay, monitor accordingly. Okay, looking good. Okay, still dumping off, guys. Nice big sell continuation. I think obviously we talked about breaking the 4-hour right here, coming back down to the support. Nasir, I have no idea what you're doing in gold right now. I don't know what you're doing in general on gold. Okay. Okay, guys, you can see it's running hard here. Okay, don't counter trade on market open, guys. I'm telling you right now. Okay, secure when you can, guys. Nas is pushing up. US30 is doing the same thing. Guys, check the free FX group here. Our members we were in on that sell at that 32,800. Okay, there's a trade idea sent out by our admins. Nice little sell stop right here. Sell area. Run at about 75 pips. I'll post it in the Discord in the free FX group if you want. This is another trade idea that's running in about 75 pips profit from this morning. Okay, just it was sent at 9:29. Okay, guys, if you guys got this, get in and out. Don't be greedy. Do not get greedy. Okay. Gold is still pushing, guys. We'll come to right now. 1 second here. 1863, still running, guys. Remember I told you 65 was the target. This thing is still pushing up. Still making a crazy move. That's a big move, guys. Let's watch US 30. That's why US 30 is dumping. Gold. Look at this, guys. Right. A lot of liquidity. Okay. Oof. Guys, big dump here. Remember that 32,800 is a key level right there. Oh, guys, she's dumping. It's gone. Don't buy any dips, guys. There's no dips here. This is all sell right now. The only reason I'm saying it's sell right now is because the overall moves are, very continuative in market open. Okay. Okay. Grab the pips, guys, if you can. It gave you multiple opportunities at 32,800. Okay, looking to breaking this hourly support, guys. We come down, this thing's coming down even further. No worries, absolutely. Flat coin for sure. But you see what I mean? Look at the big dump here, guys. That's around 25 pip dump. Anyone else get US 30 on this? Guys, if you guys got US 30 sell, put that in the group. I want to see. Big moves, guys. Okay, let's see on Nasdaq. We didn't even look at Nasdaq, guys. Dennis, the Unforgiving, you actually, my man, 1200. Dennis, post that in the group. I just posted the sell, guys, in the indices Discord. Please go check that out. Okay, let's take a peek at Nasdaq too. Yeah, look at Nasdaq, guys, a little choppier. Okay, a little choppier than normal. Remember, it dropped down though. Probably would have secured. Okay. You can see it dipped down about, from the bottom wick about 150 pips, but it's still running at about 100. Okay. From the overall break on Nasdaq continuation. This is also a death cross, guys. Both made a death cross. That's why I was bearish on this 100%. See how death cross is happening? Okay. The 9 EMA, white line crossed the 200. All right. Death cross had its finest, and same with US 30 right here. Okay, you can see another death cross happening on US 30. Okay, 32,800 was the sell for the group. All right, you can check it in the FreeFX group if you want. If you held Nasdaq, it's still running. Okay, gold is nice looking bullish. It's now at 1865. All right, remember we talked about getting to that key level. It's pushing even further now. Okay, 1865 was the target. Okay, 1865 was the target on gold. You can see it just tapped. Okay, about 80 pips if you got it. All right. If you held, you could have bought the dip. I don't know what you did, but it's a possibility from 1857. Okay, did anyone hold gold? Did anyone trade gold buys? Did anyone, you guys get in on it? I feel like I have to ask the stream if you guys did or not, you know. Okay, cool guys. Okay. Nasdaq, you can see it's starting to get a little bit of liquidity being pushed. US 30 is probably the same thing. Gonna stay for about another 5 minutes, guys, then I'm dipping. Okay. Big moves coming in. Let's watch and see if we break this overall 32,681. It's holding at the hourly. Guys, I just right now just let it play out on the sells. Okay, you can see these long wicks are being filled. Let the wicks be filled. Okay, and we will wait and see when every wick is filled. Okay, about 3 minutes left here, guys. You can see it's coming back down to the low. Okay. Okay, big moves, guys, filling the wick now. All right. Okay, so now we're going to watch what we're going to do on US 30. Okay. The short was from 32,800. All right, we're going to watch and see now the next big moves. Okay. A lot of wick coming in. See, they filled it. All right. Let's watch and see. Holding key on the hourly. Pedro, I've been saying that for a while. Of course, it's bad for the economy. It's crazy. Everyone thought it was bullish, and now it's right back to bearish momentum here. So here's the liquidity grab now. Okay, on US 30, the buyers are starting to come in. All right, this wick has not broke below the previous structure. Okay, so holding two taps at the same level at 32681. All right, you can see it's the previous level of support. We are just using the 200 EMA and the 9 EMA. All right. Okay, let's take one more peek. Let's take a look at GU, guys. Okay, a little bit of head and shoulders. Okay, it's breaking key level here. Okay, so GU is looking good. Members, I'll send an update on GU, or one of the admins will, the group. There's gold, guys, right into the supply area. Big bullish momentum here. Okay. From 1857, guys, that thing Even at 18, the daily, guys, you can see it's the daily, all right? Daily resistance right here, breaking above 57, it's now at 1867. Okay, Nasdaq is starting to reverse, so US 30 will probably follow. Okay, gold is following the overall trend, which is bullish. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much it. You guys can see here, news had the sell-off, picking up the liquidity, and then gold picked up the buyers and started to sell. Not past that 1850 area, and it actually held buys coming up to 1867. 65 was potentially the target, and you can see it's even pushed past there, going to 67. All right, so let's take a look at US 30 now. Okay, still holding below. All right, looking at hovering right around that hourly. All right, so let's monitor this accordingly, see how we're going to move. Okay, members will update you in the Discord. Nasdaq, we're pretty much forming the same thing. Okay, Nasdaq is starting to push, getting some rejection coming up near the daily. All right, so good move on Nasdaq for the sell originally. Okay, and then you can see now it's reversing. US 30 will follow very soon. Okay, GU guys coming. Okay, it still look like it's selling off here. Okay, bank holiday on GU guys, that's why we didn't focus on this today. All right, but usually we do, and we'll probably end up doing it tomorrow as well. Okay, so guys, big moves today. All right, very big moves. So let's same time, same channel tomorrow, guys. NFP. Okay, we will be doing probably gold, US 30, Nasdaq, or whatever it may be. All right, but we're going to be doing those commodities and instruments. All right, so that's a great call today. Hope everyone made some pips. So it was a little bit indecision at news, but that's why I'm saying wait for the news candles to happen, because you can see if you just waited, you can get the follow through post news. Okay, everyone gets excited, but it's just about sitting and on your hands and being patient. All right, so guys, that being said, here this is the group stocksandtrading.com. Okay, I don't want to focus too much on, a lot of you guys have seen it before. Top right hand corner, if your English is not your native speaking language, it can be transformed into 100 different languages. Okay, Tokyo, London, New York. Okay, Tokyo session is our webinars. Okay, I just want to go over the schedule. Live London, live New York, webinars coming here. Yesterday we did a midday scalp session, okay, leading into power hour, okay, and we'll do some more based on leading into the new week next week. All right, so any questions, guys? All right, please get in touch with us here, and we'll go from there. Okay, also guys, follow us on TikTok and Instagram. Okay, we're starting to kind of post a little bit more on there, so if you guys want to stay updated on what we're doing in our lives and what we're doing, maybe do that. It'll be a good thing to follow us on as well. So cool, guys, have a great day. Hope everyone had some fun on the stream, and we will resume same time, same channel tomorrow. Okay, all right guys, take it easy. Later.
Every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.